Hello and welcome to the Daily Med. Today in this video we are going to talk about world's first malaria vaccine, Mosquirix. We are going to discuss what is Mosquirix, how is Mosquirix used, how does Mosquirix work, what is the efficacy of Mosquirix. The World Health Organization launches the use of world's first malaria vaccine in Africa and recommends the widespread use of the world's first malaria vaccine. The director of Global Health said, using this vaccine, in addition to malaria prevention tools, could save tens of thousands of young lives each year. It is safe. It significantly reduces life-threatening acute malaria, and we estimate it is cost-effective. So what is Mosquirix? According to European Medicines Agency, Mosquirix is a vaccine that is given to children aged 6 weeks to 17 months to help protect against malaria. The RTS vaccine, also known as Mosquirix, was developed by British drug maker GlaxoSmithKline and has been given to more than 800,000 children in Ghana, Kenya and Malawi since the pilot program began in 2019. So how is Mosquirix used? Mosquirix is given as 0.5 ml intramuscular injection into a muscle of the thigh or in the muscles around the shoulder, the deltoid. The child is given 3 injections with 1 month between each injection. A 4th injection is recommended 18 months after the 3rd. Mosquirix can only be obtained with the prescription. So how does Mosquirix work? Scientists at the European Medicines Agency say that the active substance in Mosquirix is made up of protein found on the surface of Plasmodium falciparum parasites. When it is administered to a child, the immune system recognizes the foreign proteins from the parasite and makes antibodies against them. What is the efficacy of Mosquirix? The vaccine's effectiveness at preventing severe cases of malaria in children is only around 30%, but it is the only approved vaccine till now. The European Union's drug regulator approved it in 2015, saying its benefits outweighed the risks. WHO said the side effects of the vaccine were rare, but sometimes included a fever that could result in temporary convulsions.
If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to know more facts about human life, please subscribe to Daily Med. Also, comment down if you have any queries and questions. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notifications of our updated contents. Also, don't forget to follow Daily Med on Facebook. Thanks for watching Daily Med.